Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Cmax generation from year 2012 to year 2019. And if you guys need to remove glove box assembly to replace it, or it's broken, hinge, anything like that, stay with us, we'll explain that step by step. It's not very complicated, guys. So let's go ahead and explain what needs to be done. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So what you need to do now, guys, for the glove box, okay, right here on the bottom, okay, we need to remove one cover. You have 2 plastic nuts, okay, one is missing. You just squish it on each side and pull it down. That carpet liner needs to come out, but you need to gently pull out because you will break it, guys. Okay, just go where the plastic bolt is and gently pull it down. Perfect. Now right here we are going to have 2 bolts. Okay, give me 1 second, please. Okay, perfect, to show you where they are with 10mm socket. Okay, perfect, one is right there, one is out. Okay, coming there, guys, so almost there. Now after that we have one more, okay, on this side. I think we do, yep. Perfect. Okay, great. Now on the inside of the glove box, if you open it, guys, okay, right here we're going to have 2 screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, yep. Let me see. Oh no, that's Torx. That's Torx. That's not Phillips. My bad. Okay, that's Torx, guys. Looks like very small Torx, probably 10 or 15. Something small, and these 2 will need to come out right here. So let's go ahead, okay, and do that now. And we'll see. I think the glove box, okay, does not have much stuff left. Let me see if I can pull that cover a little bit here. I think it has a couple clips. Yep, this cover will need to come out too, guys. This cover will need to come out on this side due to the fact, okay, let me remove that one. It's under the seal here, due to the fact, okay, that there is, okay, clips here. Check it out. This clip is holding right there, and otherwise, okay, you will not be able to remove it too. So let's go ahead and remove the 2 screws now. Which is, by the way, not complicated, though. It just smaller Torx will need than that, way smaller. So let's go ahead and see what size. Okay, we need Torx 15. Start looking big. Let me focus. Perfect. You can see this one right here. So let's go ahead, install it now. Okay, and just remove that screw now towards the back a little bit. Right there. Oh, it's a little bit of limited light there too. Okay, let's go ahead and remove these 2, and once you get them loose, usually a couple revolutions, they go by hand pretty easily after that. One is out. Now let's go ahead and do another one here in that corner. Okay, we are almost to the point. Let's go ahead and see if I can get a little bit of light here. Okay, and that way you can see where it is as well. Perfect. So after we remove these 2 screws, okay, what we can do now, guys, we need to inspect
and see if we have more. Okay, anything else holding? No, that's for the elastic thing for the glove box. We don't need to mess with that one. That's what pulls it back actually. We need to check the back side here to make sure that we don't have any hidden screws. Nothing on this side too, because sometimes you have hidden screws. Now let's go ahead and grab that glove box. I think it has a couple clips that hold it in place. If we grab towards the back, it will come out. Okay, the light needs to be disconnected right here, guys. Press down. Okay, now this thing. I'll just remove the whole switch. Later we'll install it, it will be easier. And the whole glove box assembly, let's check it out now. Comes out the mechanism, guys. Okay, that moves on the side. I will show you in a second. Okay, where it's located, give it just a second to pull it out. Let's bring it here. Okay, this is the mechanism right here. You can see on the back. Okay, you have a couple clips that hold it in place, and right here you can see this clip here, and you have that clip over there as well. You have one clip on top, one clip, another one here, so 4 clips holding in place. So yeah, that's how you guys remove the glove box if you need to. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.